Alright, so I just drew an enlarged version of the original picture. Here's the cell tower, or like the radio tower. This is the interstate, that's Country Lane. There's the intersection, and I just drew out a list of the angles, and like I labeled this distance as Y and the whole distance as X, and put those right there. Now, to find this angle, you can set up sine 40 over 7, and that's referring to this angle, angle C, and this measure equals sine A, which is angle A, over
That
10.
X should be a 10, sorry.
And if you put that in your calculator, you'll get sine A equals 0.92. So therefore, angle A equals 66.7. And this is an isosceles triangle, so this angle would be the same. So you take 180 minus 66.7, and for angle E, you will get 113.3, and that is angle E, just for reference. We'll need that later. To find angle B as a whole, you just take 180 minus 40 minus 66.7, and that would be 73.3. And for this little triangle, angle B is 26.7 degrees, because this is 113, forgot to write that there, 113.3. Sorry, I'm really freaking bad at talking. But now, with that information, I can right there. With that information, you can now find the measure of this length, which is labeled Y, and you can also find the length of this, which is X. So let's find X first. X would be sine 40 over 7 equals sine 73.3 over X, and then X would equal 10.4, and that's in miles. And now that's the length of this whole interstate section, and now just this section, which is Y, you can do sine 40 over 7 equals sine 26 over Y, and you put that in your calculator, you'll get Y equals 4.9, and that is also in, oops, sorry, that's ugly, that's miles. So your final answer would be, because what you're trying to find, like it's from the intersection, you're trying to find from what distance can you hear the radio tower's like signal, like can you hear the radio station. So it's from here to here, so it would be 4.9, or X is greater than 4.9 and less than 10.4 miles. That would be your final answer, and if that didn't make any sense, I am so sorry.